Ragazzi!
Yes, Mom.
It's time for unboxing. Okay, I actually ordered this and they brought it. Let's open it together. Let's open it together. What's it? Let's open. Cominciamo da questo qua. Ci sono tante cose, eh? I bought so many things. So many. Clothes. Okay, it's empty now. So let's start. This one is for Genius. Let's see. Tell me if you like it. Oh, Jesus. It's like I bought oversized. Oh. Yeah? I bought SM. Because he's very tall. So now I am buying SL for him. Do you like it? Yes. Okay, this one is for you. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Denise.
Yes, Mom.
This one, I actually saw it. It was with a knicker. But they brought it like this without knicker. I don't know. Maybe I didn't check well. I didn't look at it well. I ordered this from Temu anywhere. So these are Temu products. I ordered all this from Temu. For triplets. So these three are for triplets. Okay, take your own. Take your own. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Now let's go here. Okay, let's start. This one, I hope there won't be any surprise again. I pray it's complete. If it's not complete, I will not be happy. This one, with the knicker. Okay, I actually ordered it today. Take this one. Let's open this.
Mine?
Yes. Let's open this. I ordered three. Oh, este su colore, vero?
Sì.
Okay. Tieni, Francis.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Wait, so the third one. Okay, I've seen it. I wanted to say where is the third one. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So this is the third one. Denise.
Yes, Mom.
Take.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Now let's check this one. This should be my. So this is my. Can you see? It's beautiful. This is mine. Okay, let me keep mine here. This one. I think this one is mine also. This one is mine. Yeah, this is mine also. This is mine. Can you see it? It's very fine. So I'll keep my own here. Then let's open this one. This, I bought this for Caci, ma ho comprato XL. È sempre grande, Caci, perché tu sei troppo alto, non so adesso tua misura, ma secondo me è un po' grande. It's like this one is too big for him. Take. Later you test it. You're welcome. You test it later. So let's check this one. Okay, this is for Kenny's. Take.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Take another one. This one is for Francis. Francie.
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. This one is for Dennis.
Yes,
No,
Mom.
Francis, questo è tuo. Questo è quello di Francis. Francis, questo è tuo. Perché è più piccolo questo. Dai, Dennis, quello. Dai, anche Mom. You're welcome. Che prendi? Ecco, andiamo a vedere. Wow. Kenny's take.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay, this one. I hope it's 3. Francis, take.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. The same. I actually like Temu clothes. You see, it's very light. Very, very light. It's very good for summer. Take, Denise.
Thank you, Mommy.
You are welcome. Now let's go to red. Red, okay, with the knicker. You see? Right? Denise, take.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay. This one is for Dennis. This is for Francis. This is for Primo. And for Sarah do. Francis, tieni dopo lo cerchiamo. Tieni, Dennis.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. That's finished though. È finito. Can't you era solo 2?
Yes.
Only 2 I bought for you. Or do I have another pack outside? Maybe some are still yet to come. I don't know. I actually ordered so many things that now I have to check very well if they sent everything complete. If everything is complete. Guarda come siete così rilassate così. Ma siete stanchi? Yeah, they just came back from a Saturday gas from summer camp. Oh my God. Okay. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Siete felici?
Sì.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Ok. Facciamo thumbnail. Vieni un po' vicino e facciamo foto. Vieni un po' vicino, Dennis. Come facciamo? Come possiamo fare? Il pacco. Beh, prendete il vostro così su. Non ti appoggiare. Infatti non si vede la sua testa, eh. Dai, va bene. Oh my God. Ok. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Siete felici?
Sì.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Ok.